Let me show you how to research a crypto asset, and we're going to start off with the most popular, which is none other than Bitcoin. So if we click on any of these assets here, it's going to bring up this screen where we can view the price history, and then if we scroll down, we can get more information. The first thing I want to show you is you can toggle between the 1 hour price chart, the 1 day, the weekly, the monthly, the yearly, and the all-time. So of course, if you look at the all-time price history of Bitcoin, it's gone up like 61,000%. But if we do look at the last month here, we can see, and if you put your thumb over it, you can get a better view of where that price was at. Ever since around the middle of March, that price has been consolidating, and that's largely because we did reach a new all-time high with Bitcoin. So whenever you see a new all-time high with an asset, especially crypto, there's going to be tons of profit taking and limit orders that are being triggered, and it may take some time for that price to consolidate before it possibly goes up more, or it could consolidate and go down. So be aware of that as well. If we go ahead and scroll down now, we can see where I have a $0 Bitcoin balance at this point in time. But below that, you can actually click on view more, and it will tell you about these different crypto assets. Now, I'm not going to read this thing to you entirely, but it is great that you can learn about different cryptocurrencies right within the app.